Today we're going to be talking about our key fob or paracord key fob. You can purchase this online. This will come with your key that you purchased with us as well, the Art of Driving key. You may want to change this color. Say your car is red and you want to change it. With us, it's going to come in black. So we're going to show you how easy it is to do. You're going to need a lighter, pair of scissors. These are left-handed, so you're probably not going to use these, but some paracord of your color choice. And we're going to show you how easy it is to do. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paracord key fob and you're going to untwist it. You're going to twist it from the bottom here. You're going to hold this piece and then twist. And you'll see that it will come loose. If you like the size, then you're just going to use this as a template. My hands are a little greasy right now, so let's see if I can get this off. So once you've unscrewed it, this is what it's going to look like. So if this is black and you want to change it to red, if you like the length, you're going to use the same length as a template. Take your paracord of your color. You got to line it up and cut it. To make this easy on you, I highly recommend you remove 2 strands. You're going to hold this a little firm so that all the strands not pull out. Pull out 1 strand. Pull out the 2nd strand. Then you're going to move this. If you want, you can cut off the excess white, because you want to have as little as possible, because you don't want to have a bubble. It's very tight. At that point, this is what it should look like. You're going to take your lighter, like this. I lick my fingers and just have it so it's nice and small. If you lick your fingers, it won't burn as much. It's not super hot. I think most people can handle that. Same thing here. Got to cut off the excess. Straighten it up. Like this then. You're going to want it to have it pretty flat. You don't want to have this huge bubble. I'll show it to you on the camera here. So that's how you want it. Then you're going to take your paracord. You're going to take this and you're going to put your key on first. So this was the key. It's going to go like this. And then you start. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to show you how to do this. So the key would be hanging here, in the bottom here. You're going to put the 2 ends like this. You're going to take this piece right here, and you're going to put it on just like this. Now here's the trick. You're going to only screw the bottom part while holding firmly onto the top. Little at a time. Sometimes you have to pull this just a little bit because it gets binded. And you are good. You can pull this as tight as you want and it will not come out. That is how you change your paracord color. Thank you for watching.